Last year I had a viral video in which I claimed an Etsy seller made $1.4 million off a beginner project box shelf. And I get about as much hate in the comments as I do love, claiming that basically this is a giant load of BS. Also, I get a little bit about a design problem. So in today's video, I'm going to address that. Is this actually clickbait? Let's go back through the numbers and check, and I will address the design problem that a lot of people complained about. Hi, if you're new here, my name's Jake. I've been a full-time Etsy seller for 8 years, along with my Shopify store. And on this channel, I do a couple different things, but one of them is I highlight sellers and items that are typically of a beginner nature that are getting great sales online on places like Etsy. And most of the time, these are items that are in the Creative Commons space, such as the one we'll look at today. This seller did not invent the box shelf, right? It's kind of in the creative ether that anyone can use. So if that interests you, hit that subscribe button and go check out the rest of my videos. Now let's get into this. Now, just the first complaint before I get to the big one. A lot of people complain about the box joints on this shelf. And I agree, mitered corners on this box shelf would look much better. However, I am building it exactly how the seller built it that made the $1.4 million. That's what I want to highlight. Again, I agree, mitered corners look better, but this is how they built it, and they still got the sales that they got. Well, maybe let's see. So I know it's a little hard to see from that picture that they had the box joints, but they did have the box joints. However, if you go to J. Thomas Home Goods now, they have actually updated all their shelving and they are doing mitered corners. But two of the other sellers that I showed you that got really good sales. In fact, one of them is now in the Millionaire Club, so maybe I missed a listing when I first did it. I'm not sure. I'll show you later here in a couple minutes. But look, both making box joints, clearly making box joints, and still got hundreds of thousands of sales. Ones in the Millionaire Club, as I'll show you. Now, as you can see, and I want to address, I only did total sales, right? This is gross. This is not net. This is not profit. If you're new here in my subsequent videos, because this one went viral for me, I was like, I had to lean into this format. I've made a lot of videos like this, and in the subsequent ones, I am doing a full profit breakdown so you know exactly what these sellers were taking home to give you a better idea of, is this product worth it for you? Another quick thing to address is some people don't trust the eHunt Etsy AI app. I get it. I have run tests with my stuff. I find about a third of the time it is dead on. A third of the time it overestimates, and a third of the time it underestimates. So maybe that's running even. I don't know, but let's see the top of the page here. See, these are Etsy's numbers right there. And then this is the eHunt AI numbers. Okay, these things are spot on. Now, this doesn't correlate exactly to these items, but it's just showing it's got the right count for the sales for the shop. But we're talking thousands and thousands of sales. So, man, we're in the ballpark still, okay? So as you can see with the prices at the time, now we can't be 110% correct on these because people change their prices. They offer a huge variety in sizes for these items, so we don't have that breakdown. I mean, for all we know, most of their sales came from the largest shelves, which were a couple $100s, so they would actually have made more money. Or maybe they were all the smallest shelves and maybe they made less. So my calculations on this are for the mid-range, the 3 foot by 10 inch shelf on this to give us the, kind of mid-range price on what they might have made. So the one that I highlighted that made the most was J. Thomas Home Goods. And here's what they made. Total sales based off the price at the time. Now, one of the others that I referenced earlier is Done Rustic Designs. And I guess I missed a few. So I'm going to show you their homepage. And I'm going to point to all their box shelves. They sell other shelves. By the way, this store only sells shelves. It's 10 different designs. I'll probably talk about them later in the video because they're doing pretty awesome. But if you look at all these, it's 14,700 sales of the box shelf in their shop. And at the mid-range price, that comes out to $1.7 million in sales. Fantastic. So, and again, I'll show you, look, this is Etsy's numbers on the number of sales from the shop. They're only selling shelves. Some are the ledge shelves and some are the box shelves. The numbers are basically the same. So look, it's not clickbait. It's the numbers I'm running from the information that I have. These people are selling. It is possible. It is possible. And as you can see, look, they're still getting 22 weekly sales. So pretty awesome for them. If you have any more questions or complaints, let me know in the comments. Hey, you know, it's YouTube, so it doesn't bother me. I get it. I get it. And there's a lot of there's a lot of shisty people making videos trying to get clicks. So I get it. It's cool. Anyhow, thanks for watching. See you later.